In this video, I will show you how to refer a friend on Binance. So first of all, open up your Binance app, and if you aren't started yet on Binance, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a nice welcome bonus up to $100 in free crypto. So anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on the Binance logo at the top left from our home tab. And from here, when we scroll down, we can see under shortcut Referral. So let's go ahead and click on Referral. And right now, as you can see, it says refer a friend and both earn $100. So that is what I meant with the introduction I just gave. When you go ahead and check the link in the description, you will also be able to earn $100. So you can also earn this yourself when you click on that link, and you can also keep earning this when you refer more friends. So how does this work? Well, basically down below, you can see your referral code and a referral link. And this is a personal link, and you can copy this to your clipboard, and then you can send this to your friends. And when they sign up with this link, that is step one, as you can see, So when they sign up with your link after you have shared it, then you need to invite your friends to sign up, and they need to deposit more than $50 within 14 days of registration. So then you will receive a trading fee rebate voucher worth $100 each for you and for your friend. So that is how this campaign works. You can also make this a QR code, or you can copy it, or you can send it to different social media platforms. So anyway, your referral link is in here. Copy this to your clipboard and then paste it anywhere you like. And don't forget to check my link in the description to get started for free and to already earn $100 if you deposit over $50 within your first 13 days. So that is a nice way to start. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.